Have you ever looked at your crawl space and thought that it is shallow? I don't think anyone can fit in there. Stay tuned to hear why every inch of your crawl space matters. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at Unravel. Today we're diving into the importance of crawl space height and why it's a critical factor of your home's health. Many homeowners have told us, I've heard about crawl space height, but I'm not sure why it matters. In this video, I'll explain what crawl space height is, how it affects moisture, and the consequences of having an inadequate crawl space height. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. When we talk about crawl space height, what we're really paying attention to is from the bottom of the floor joist to the dirt. So how big is that space and how far is your floor joists off the ground itself? It affects moisture control a couple different ways. Number one, if the floor joists are very close to the soil is always going to be letting off some sort of moisture, even in drier seasons. But this will allow those floor joists to be affected quicker, so they can more susceptible to rot or biological growth. The other thing that matters here is how accessible is it to repair any damages. When you get into a shallow crawl space that people can't access, then you have to fix the problems from the top side, which means tearing up living rooms, kitchens, dining rooms, and even bathrooms, which is something you want to avoid as much as possible. When you don't have this height, you start to see more damage to your subfloor much quicker. Whether that's the main beam sitting right on the soil or the floor joists just being a few inches off the soil. So you're more susceptible to seeing those mold remediation problems and moisture starting to break down the structure of your home. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, call us or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your crawl space height? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.